Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this bright eyeshadow tutorial for deep set eyes. I used purple violet today. You can use any bright color you would like, but I'm going to show you how I layer this on, the techniques that I use to keep it looking clean and effortless on the eye without getting too messy with deep set eyes or maturing aging eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. We're gonna do a quick little tutorial on a colorful look for deep set eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer and just my finger. This is really creamy and buttery, and I'm just going to place that in the crease and above the crease just to soften the brow bone a bit and warm up that crease. It sounds like someone is playing the drums outside. I have my window open. I may close it. It is very odd. Okay, I'm just gonna bring it down my nose a bit. And we still have brightness in here. I'm gonna go in with my Buxom Ashley Came Home palette and a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Teddy. And I'm just gonna kind of follow what I did with the soft sculpt. Teddy is a little bit warmer, so it's just adding a little bit of golden. It's just kind of setting that soft sculpt in place. Now that I did my roots and they are a little bit brighter and my hair looks a little bit more of a cooler blonde like I used to have it, I wanted to do something a little bit more fun on the eyes. I go in with Keep Me Covered from Essence, the concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium. And I'm gonna just put that on my lid as a base for the eyeshadow. Really just get in that corner right there. I'm going to take some of my Wet n Wild Essence Primer, Finishing Primer 5-in-1, smooths, conditions, refines, pores, balances, pre and post makeup. And I'm just going to put that over top of the concealer. Now I'm going to take a flat kind of rounded brush. This will give you more precision with darker or bright colors, and we're going to go into Royalty, which is a nice bright purple. And I like for deep set eyes to keep the color on the lid. I found that when I go up onto my brow bone and my crease, it just starts to look really messy. So just keep patting this on all over the area that we used with concealer. Might even need to take a little bit of a fluffy brush to get up in here. All right, you can see that I followed the shape of the eye, leaving these inner corners just nice and bright there, and it just enhances the shape of your eye and just keeps it looking cleaner. Now I'm gonna go in again with Royalty and an angled brush, and I'm gonna go underneath my eye. Underneath the eye is also an awesome place to pop on bright colors if you are kind of more into neutrals and just want a pop of color underneath the eye, is also a really nice spot to place them. And I'm just gonna kind of angle it out at the end as opposed to it being rounded out. Now, just with my finger, I'm going to go into major and pat that on the lid. And just kind of leave around it like the matte color, and then just have that pop right in the center. Since I'm not going to put on any liquid liner or liner on my eye, I'm going to tight line just to give a little bit more structure to the eye and just to thicken that lash line. Just kind of cleans up the eye look too when you're doing something bright. I just went in with the Electric Mood X Tiana Major 9 e.l.f. gloss just to add a little bit of sparkle to the lips. This is the final look. This is an easy way to do bright colors with deep set eyes. Use cream bronzers and then layer that with a neutral shadow on your brow bone in the crease. Lay down a concealer and then go in with your matte color first and your shimmer topper on top of that. Keep these inner corners bright and your makeup will look flawless throughout the day. It'll enhance your eyes, it won't make them look more deep set, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.